Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting.
I was just finding my elves this morning, and they're here, and then one of them is in the mailbox. And they brought me these little snowman earrings, so I'm gonna be wearing those earrings today because I think they're so cute. So I just got some snacks for school, but I don't have anything after school today. So I'm actually so excited because I'm flying to Florida tomorrow. So today is my last day of school for the week. So I'm just filling up my water bottle because I'm not using my filter water. So we should just use bottled water for right now. So we put a tree outside. It's fake though. I'm walking to my car and going to school. See what happens. Okay, we are back from school. We're walking into my house. And I'm surprised I didn't get in trouble for these earrings. But like, it's good. Ah!
We're going on the plane tomorrow. I'm so excited to take it.
Yeah. Oh, that looks so nice. Well, it's not done yet. So,
The Christmas tree is sitting out here.
yeah. Hi! Come here! Good boy, you got your toy? Come on! Come. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get the homework done that I'm gonna miss. I have a lot of math, and I'm not even gonna be able to learn the lesson. And Lucky has to go to a dog sitter because my family isn't available. So that's what we're gonna do. We have to bring him there later. And we brought him to see, well, when I was in school, my parents brought him to see if they liked the guy. And he did, like, he felt really comfortable, and they don't have any other dogs either, so they liked it. Whoa, all the paint is melting in this. Jeez. Okay, so I didn't do, like, one of those transition things that I do every day, but I just got dressed. And, yeah. First, we're gonna go get a snack. So I've been stalling for a really long time. If you can hear Brianna, she's playing the piano in the back, in our music room. But I've been stalling for a long time because I really don't want to do my homework. I don't have a lot. I just have a lot of math. I have like 5 workbook pages of math, and I don't even know the lesson because I'm not going to be there. So I have to like teach it to myself. But I have like Spanish and stuff. So the stickers, so I'm going to put them in my backpack somewhere. My homework that I have. I have 5 because there's 4 for this, and it's geometry, and then I have another page for today, so that's 5 in total. And then I did all my ILA homework. All I have to do is finish reading this book that we're reading. We're reading A Christmas Carol, and we're on stave 4, so I just have to read stave 4 and 5, so that's like the last part. Spanish, I have a few worksheets. So here's one of my lip butters from, I think it was, I don't even know what day it was. It was day something. I don't think I have to do this side. I just have to do that. Because today we had a test on the clothing vocab. Then this, I have to do this side and this side. Okay, so we're taking a break from homework. And we are getting Burger King. So we just got it, so we're gonna eat it. So me and Brianna got the Whoppers. These are huge. Then we got fries. And let's see. Just finished eating. Sadly, we have to go back to homework now. I'm tired. I don't really want to do my math homework. So right now I am going to Brianna's basketball game. She has one tonight and I'm actually tired. I fell asleep so I kind of vlog because I was sleeping. Okay, so I finished all my homework and I tried to get some done, but I couldn't get my math done because I need people to send me the notes. Okay guys, so right now we are getting home from Brianna's basketball game and unfortunately they lost. Look at that ring. So, are you ready to go?
Are you ready to go?
So what's happening right now is we're packing up all Lucky's stuff because he is staying at a sitter. And he got introduced to the sitter today, so now we have to go bring him. And I feel so bad because he doesn't know that he's going. We're going to pack his toys. So here's his bed. So we're going to bring his bed. You're going to bring your towels. No, it's going to be in a different video. Lucky has to bring all of his towels. Here, Lucky, is this good? And then your food. You excited, Lucky? Yeah. We're here, Lucky. Oh, I'm sorry. It's so bad. Come on. Where are we? Come on. Oh, sorry. Ooh. You need help? So we're here at the house. You ready, Lucky? Come on. Come on. Come on. He's like, where am I?
You want your blanket?
Come here. He loves it. Wow. Come on. Do nice. Do nice. Bye, puppy. Bye.
Give us a call.
Bye, Lucky.
That'd be good luck. Come on.
I feel so bad. No.
Walk around the street.
He's so sad. Did you see how depressed he looked when we left? So we just dropped him off. He looked like he was happy, but he was a little sad when we left. So he just like, well, it's gonna get fast again. But then we gotta go back home. So I just got back home, and I want to get in the shower because I want to make sure I'm all showered. I have to eat dinner, but then I'm gonna finish packing like the last few things I was gonna pack. So actually this is gonna be like my little bag for the plane. I think this is, I don't know which one I want to take because this one is a little bit bigger, so this one might fit more, I don't know. I'm just gonna bring both of them. I don't think I'm allowed to bring candy, but I'm gonna bring this book on the plane. Because if I don't feel like reading this on vacation, I have to read this for my homework.
Would you rather pinky your Christmas gifts and risk getting each other? Say it out loud and curse us.
And
We should probably wrap this thing back up and get out.
yeah. And then I'm just gonna bring this one in my bag. So now I'm gonna go in the shower. Okay, so I'm out of the shower and my hair is wet. But I have my bag packed for tomorrow. And I also have this little bag that's gonna be my plane bag for the plane. We're gonna buy snacks and stuff there. But I'm gonna end the video now. I also put in this necklace so I don't forget it. So I'm gonna end the video now because it's getting late and I'm gonna see you guys. It's actually 12 o'clock already. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at that, 12 o'clock. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for tomorrow because I'm so excited for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.